Welcome to our JavaScript Best Practices tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of writing clean, efficient and maintainable code. Following best practices is essential for writing high quality code that is easy to maintain and efficient. Good code organization is essential for writing maintainable code. We can use meaningful variable names, functions, and modules to keep our code organized. Following coding standards is important for writing readable code. We can use tools like linters to enforce coding standards. Error handling is an essential part of writing robust code. We can use try-catch blocks to handle errors and provide useful error messages. Performance optimization is important for writing efficient code. We can use techniques like caching, minimizing, DOM updates, and using efficient algorithms to improve performance. Security is an essential part of writing robust code. We can use techniques like validating user input, using secure protocols, and keeping dependencies up to date to improve security. Code review is an essential part of writing high quality code. We can use code review tools to review code regularly and provide constructive feedback. Testing is an essential part of writing robust code. We can write unit test, integration test, and use testing frameworks to ensure our code works as expected. I hope this video helped you understand JavaScript best practices better. Thank you for watching. There are several advanced best practices that can help us write more maintainable and efficient code, including design patterns, solid principles, and dependency injection. Different frameworks and libraries have their own best practices. We can follow these best practices to write more efficient and maintainable code. There are several common pitfalls and mistakes that can be made when writing JavaScript code. By being aware of these pitfalls, we can write better code. Code refactoring is an essential part of writing maintainable code. We can refactor code regularly, use code analysis tools, and improve code readability to make our code more efficient. I hope this video has helped you understand JavaScript best practices better.